Hello, it's Monday the 18th. I'm FX Blue and this is the market brief. Did you miss me? Had a couple of days off-site with a currency transfer leadership and I didn't pack my gimbal. So what's been going on? Andrew Bailey's been on. He's confident that rising inflation is just a reaction to all the support being provided. Inflation data is due out on Wednesday. CPI is expected to close in on 4%. But Bailey couldn't have forecast the rise in wholesale gas prices, which are feeding through to higher household fuel bills, or he couldn't have forecast that prices have levelled off higher after the panic at the petrol pumps. So he is concerned that the Bank of England will have to act to prevent a crisis for the recovery. Increasing interest rates to deal with inflation would be a fairly drastic measure, but the MPC may be left with no other choice. Their next meeting is on November the 4th, and the bank will be under pressure to act. In the market, the interest rate expectation has helped sterling higher. We touched 137.75 against the dollar last week. And over in the US, the Fed is also expected to begin tapering when they meet on November the 2nd. The Fed will be keen to see what effect tapering support has on inflation before raising interest rates, though. Growth is likely to be significantly higher this year, but this is all due to the bounce back from the short-term recession created by the lockdowns. That unprecedented liquidity that's been pumped into the market has driven equity prices much higher than would otherwise be merited by the economic performance. The Fed seems to have enough control over the market to go at its own pace at the moment, though, but with rising inflation levels not seen in a decade, patience may be running out. Do you think they'll act and start tapering when they next meet? I'm not so sure, but do drop me a comment below and let me know your thoughts. Join me again tomorrow.
If you do not have a clue, then just tweet through and ask FX Blue.